Hi guys, and welcome back to Hungry Forever Bangalore. I'm Christina, and today we are here at Street Storyss, an absolutely adorable and cozy little restaurant located in Indranagar. One of the things that we love about this place is that it's completely vegetarian and it serves street food with a fine dining twist. So for example, you'll have on the menu items such as a Rajma Khichdi risotto, as well as some absolutely delicious vegetarian options. So let's go ahead and check it out. So, as the name implies, Street Storyss is a restaurant that takes street food and elevates it to an absolutely fine dining level. For example, here we've got the avocado mousse, which is a sort of take on our regular street food chaats, as well as the poppet and kakra, which is a take on a sort of Mexican take on things. They've got some guacamole with it, as well as an absolutely fabulous corn salsa and the pineapple salsa as well. They've also got some amazing drinks on the menu, such as the masala coke, that you would normally find at your day-to-day, your favorite street food stall, but here they've totally refined it to another level and it's absolutely amazing. So we just had an absolutely amazing, completely vegetarian meal at Street Storyss. Some of the items on the menu that we loved were the watermelon salad, as well as the mushroom soup, the avocado mousse, and the textures of eggplant. We also really love the ambience and vibe of the place, and it's an absolutely amazing, super Instagrammable place to visit. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube, as well as follow us on social media. And as always, stay hungry!